Welcome. In this video, I'll show you how to make a portfolio using Wix. All right. First up, let's go ahead and create a new site. Create, and then I'm going to go ahead and use the Wix editor. And if you want to, you can go ahead and use the Studio or Wix Studio template. Okay. I'm just going to use the Wix editor. Click on it and wait for it to load. Now, once it loads, go ahead and click on Setup Without Chat. Click. Now, as you can see here, we have the option for portfolio. If you can't find it, just go ahead and type it down right here. Portfolio. And you have multiple options like creative portfolio, design, developer, PR, UX, film, and it goes a long way. All right. Let's say, for example, you are a photographer. Okay. All right. When you hit on continue, it will just give you random templates. Okay. Okay. So I'm just going to go ahead and hit on skip. It says here, prepare my dashboard. And once it loads, just go ahead and straight up design the site. Okay. As you can see, you can go ahead and choose a template. Just go ahead and click on pick a template. Now in here, go ahead and find the creative tab right here. Okay. And if you want to as well, you can go ahead and use blank templates. As you can see, you can just go ahead and drag and drop your photos and edit the text. But for this example, we're going to be using this tab, the creative tab. Okay. For example, you're onto photography, maybe travel and documentary. I'm going to click on it. And as you can see, we have a ton of templates right here. Maybe I'm just going to use this one. Okay. Click on edit. Wait for it to load. Now, once it loads, you can just go ahead and close this AI prompt, close it. Now, click on a section where you wanted to edit. For example, this one, just click on it. Then you have the quick edit section. Click, edit the text if you want to. From here in the right panel, like, hi, I am your name and I am photographer. Click on the photo. If you want to change it, click on change. Okay. If you want to upload your own photo, go to the top, click on image or video. Okay. Image right here. Now go to the left panel and click on upload media and upload from your computer or from these websites. Okay. Upload maybe this picture of mine like so. Wait for it to upload. There you go. Change. There you have it. You can now go ahead and continue editing this portfolio, and once done, hit on save. Don't forget to hit on save and just hit on publish. Okay. Once you hit on publish, you'll be given a link which you can post or share wherever you want. And there you have it. Well, I hope this video helps, and I'll see you in the next one.